we can see two kinds of tissues in the plant. One is the meristematic, while other one is the permanent tissue. In meristematic tissue we can just see the plant growth is occurring here. अगर shoot पे है तो it is called as a shoot apical meristem, and if it is found at the root portion then it is called as a root apical meristem. Meristematic tissue we can just see apex पे है, while if I'm just talking about permanent tissue, you can just see this external portion of the tree which is having this rough structure. That means it is a dead tissue and it's a permanent right now. Now we are going to study about the various types of meristematic tissues. Apical meristem, lateral meristem, which is also known as cambium, and third one is intercalary meristem. Apical meristem, let us see its feature. Present at the growing tip of stem and root. Stem और root के growing tip पे present होते हैं. I will show it to you after some time. What is the function of this meristem? Length को बढ़ाना. Then lateral meristem, which is also known as cambium. Its function is it is present beneath the bark. Bark आपको दिखाया था अभी, उसके नीचे present होती है. It is responsible for growth in the girth of the trunk. जो plant का trunk है, main center portion है, उसके जो सर्कल है उसकी गर्थ को यानी चौड़ाई को बढ़ाता है. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट एट इंटरनोड्स और बेस ऑफ द लीव्स. लीफ के बेस में प्रेजेंट होगा या इंटरनोड पे प्रेजेंट होगा. आई शो यू व्हाट इज इंटरनोड. वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ इंटरकैलरी मेरिस्टम. इट इंक्रीजेज द लेंथ बिटवीन द नोड्स. नोड्स के बीच की जो दूरी है उसको वो बढ़ाता है. We can see here at the tip new bud is arising which is leading to the growth in the length of this tree. This bud which is present at the tip of the growing plant, this is known as apical meristem. As it is found over the shoot यानी stem के ऊपर है, that's why it is called as shoot apical meristem. We can see it here that shoot apical meristem is there. In the same way, meristems are also found in the root. Here these are the dry roots, but root, if you will just dig this soil and we will find the root. Then at the tip of root also, in the same way, like here shoot apical meristem is there, there will be root apical meristem. So these are the example of that meristematic tissue. We have seen the example of meristematic tissue. We have read three kinds of meristematic tissue. One is the apical, which is found at the growing tip, either at the shoot or at the root level. Then next meristem which we have read, that was the lateral meristem. Lateral meristem means which is going to increase the girth of the tree. Like it is one of the banyan tree, while this one is the second banyan tree. If I'm just talking about this banyan tree, it is worshipped also here. We can just see it is worshipped in certain traditions like Hindu traditions. So you can see here it is having less girth, while the other banyan tree, it is having a bit more girth. But if you'll go to the natural environment, it would be having more girth, यानी इसकी चौड़ाई और ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. तो ये जो इसकी साइड वेज की चौड़ाई की ग्रोथ जो मेरिस्टम करा रही है, यानी ऐसे टिश्यूज़ जो हमेशा ग्रो करती हैं क्योंकि इनकी एज बहुत अच्छी होती है, तो ये ग्रो करेंगे फॉर सेवरल ईयर्स. Like 1000 years old banyan tree is here, that is called great banyan tree. And that big tree of Tulle also I have told you, which is having 4500 to 5000 years old age. So this can grow for so long period. This is the which meristem? Lateral meristem, जो कि इसकी girth को increase कर रहा है.